Today I'm going to walk you through how to use ClickUp Brain, the powerful new AI feature inside ClickUp, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tap into ClickUp AI to get instant answers, generate reports, create documents, and boost your productivity without leaving your workspace. Let's dive straight in. First, open up your ClickUp workspace. This is the dashboard where all your projects, tasks, and lists live. If you think of ClickUp as the digital version of your office, your workspace is like the main entrance. It's where everything begins. Make sure you're logged in and you're seeing your tasks in front of you. If you're new to ClickUp, don't worry, just head to ClickUp.com and log in with your credentials. Next, choose the project you want to work on. Maybe you're planning a product launch, tracking a marketing campaign, or organizing your daily to-dos. Selecting the right project makes sure ClickUp Brain's answers and insights are relevant to what you're focused on. For example, if you're in your content calendar project, any reports or search queries you ask the AI will use information related specifically to that calendar. It keeps your work context-specific, saving you time and giving you more accurate help. Once you've got your project open, look to the top of the screen just beside the search bar. You'll see a button that says Ask AI. Click that, and you're about to open up a whole world of possibilities. The Ask AI feature is like having a smart digital assistant at your fingertips. It's ready to help with anything from quick searches to complex tasks. When you click Ask AI, a new panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is the ClickUp Brain panel where the magic happens. Notice how the layout gives you clear space to type in questions or select from featured tasks. The designers really thought about reducing clutter and making it user-friendly, so you're not overwhelmed, especially if you're new to AI tools. Now inside this panel you'll see several categories of tools: suggested, featured, search, report, think and create, and more. Each one has its own specialty. Suggested offers shortcuts for things you might commonly need, like summarizing meeting notes or drafting an email. Search lets you ask specific questions about your workspace, like how many overdue tasks do I have this week? Report is fantastic for generating instant progress reports. Think of it as the difference between manually crunching numbers and having your virtual assistant do it for you in seconds. Think and Create can help brainstorm ideas, generate copy, or even write up entire documents based on your prompts. A real time saver if you're staring down a blank page. What's really neat is you don't have to be an expert to use these tools. Just click on the category you want, then click the specific tool or type your question, and ClickUp Brain handles everything automatically. For example, if you want a summary of your weekly stand-up notes, click Think and Create and then Summarize Notes, and instantly you'll get a neat, readable recap. If you're looking to automate your reporting process, try Report, and the AI will pull from current project data. It really is that simple. Don't worry if it takes a few moments the first time, or if some options feel unfamiliar. Explore and see what works best for you. Like any new tool, a little experimentation goes a long way, and you might discover features that save you hours down the line. And that's all there is to it, just a few clicks to unlock powerful AI assistants right where you work. Using ClickUp Brain is like having an extra pair of hands, or even a virtual project manager helping guide you, answer questions, and handle repetitive tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I check them regularly and am always happy to help. And if you want more easy, practical tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy working with ClickUp AI.